When I seen Cal against them, I didn't really care. When I saw him against K Shine, I said, this got some. When we battled, we was tight already. Pause. So they called me saying his rhyme. And I said mine. We knew each other whole rap.
I didn't know that.
And we had to act like we never heard it. And we couldn't rebuttal nothing nobody said. So I had to stand in front of bygones and bygones again after I heard it on the phone. I was tight. Cal had beef with some New York while we was on stage. I'm like, yo, Cal, come in. He like, you mic'd up? I said, take the pistol.
Rex had a 2.5 inside the spot we was in.